Hong Kong is widely known as the financial and commercial center of the Asia-Pacific region. A former British colony returned to the People's Republic of China in 1997, its vast infrastructure of modern buildings, residential buildings, and public transportation all still relies on coal for the production of 50% of its electricity. In 2012, Hong Kong's greenhouse gas emissions level was 43.1 million tons, with electricity making up the largest single source of these emissions at almost 30 million tons. The significant development of the small landmass that makes up Hong Kong has resulted in pollution on many fronts. Air, water, light, and noise pollution are all at very high levels, further exacerbated by waste and urbanization. Hong Kong's position as a global financial center and an international trading hub will see significant decline if pollution is not addressed and reduced on an urgent basis. An even warmer climate, increased rainfall in an already rainy territory, flooding, heat waves, extreme weather events, and health problems all threaten the residents and their respective livelihoods that make a significant contribution to the vibrant economy. In recent years, various local, regional, and global interest organizations have been lobbying various stakeholders in Hong Kong government and commerce to make meaningful strides to address the pollution crisis. Windmills have been implemented and efforts to use more energy-efficient building materials have begun, though Hong Kong's reliance on coal-burned electricity remains. Hong Kong will need a multifaceted approach across wind, solar, and tidal renewable energy sources to meaningfully reduce reliance on coal and safeguard Hong Kong's physical and economic future.